full-fledged discussion on media planning. You see, now that we discussed what is meant by media planning, remember the very last discussion, we
Yes, sir.
discussed
Yes,
that media, right, very good. Media plays a decisive role in the success of the ad campaign. Ad campaign में media का जो role है, that is very important, and therefore we have to make decisions regarding media in the best possible manner. And in that light, we were discussing about the very process. Now that we have defined what is meant by media planning, let us discuss the process of media planning. Now, this is the subject matter of discussion for today. In fact, we discussed the regions. In the last class, we discussed the regions for media planning, and we discussed even media mix that was discussed. Today, we discuss the process. What is media planning process? How do we do it? Now, very important, because as a media planner, we have to figure out how the entire exercise is carried out, how media planning is actually done. So make sure that you undergo the different steps in the logical sequence. Media planning involves a progression of a logical sequence. Step by step हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे, और then the media plan will be developed properly. Or you see, as we discussed, yes, as we discussed, we have to make decisions regarding the media related issues. केवल मीडिया से रिलेटेड जो भी इश्यूज हैं उसी से कंसर्निंग हमें डिसाइड करना है. फॉरगेट अबाउट एडवर्टीजमेंट्स, उससे मुझे कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो ऑल दोज इश्यूज दैट रिलेट टू द मीडिया will be a part of media planning process. Just note down the various steps involved. That are the various decisions that are to be made. To begin with, analysis of the target audience. TA stands for target audience. Now we will be using this term very often on. So target audience, who our target audience is, and accordingly we will be deciding the media. In fact, we discuss each of the steps separately, but simply jot down the various steps involved. Once we have identified the target audience, we have figured out their media preference, their media habit, their media exposure, we boil down to the next step, selecting the media objectives. In fact, we will discuss each of them separately. Don't be bothered. Second, selecting the media objectives. Third, selecting the media types. Once the objectives have been decided, we will be deciding what the media types are. Now, these are very technical terms, types, vehicles, subclass, whatever. We will be elaborating all these terms in due course, very shortly. So, selecting the media vehicle. Third, the next one, deciding on media scheduling. Media scheduling refers to the time of appearance of the advertisement. At what point of time the ads will appear, the scheduling part. So what are the various scheduling decisions? We will have an elaborate discussion on that. So at what time the advertisement would appear during the campaign period. So make sure that you understand we are developing a media plan to cover the entire ad campaign. It is not a matter of the appearance of one single advertisement off and on. No, we have developed an ad campaign which will stretch over a period of time, maybe for 9 months, maybe 1.5 years. So for the entire campaign period, you have to develop a media plan. So you have to make all these decisions beforehand, before you actually decide how the ad will be conveyed to the target audience. You make all the decisions at the outset only, in the beginning only. and then you buy the space and time accordingly from the different media, newspaper, magazines, journals, whatever. So you have to buy those time and space in advance. Then only your advertisement will be placed in those particular medium that you have paid the price for.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So what is the full form of IT?
IT.
Yes, sir.
My God.
Yesterday you have given the two questions. What is IT and what is IT for? What is it for?
IT.
Conserving. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Conserving more than one medium in a plant. It's essential that blending acts of different media to generate synergy.
Okay, let me go back then. When we discuss the media mix, where did you get it? Let me check out IT.
Yes,
Where
sir.
is it? IT.
There were two questions.
This slide. Are you talking about this slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
IT is it. What is it? What is it? What is it for? Got it?
Yes, sir.
It stands for media planning. What is media planning?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What it is for? Why there is a need for media planning? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good that you asked it. I'm very happy about it. Very good. This is the spirit. I like it very much. Because if something is bothering you, you better ask it. Now she will not be confused. Good going. Very good. Keep it up. Whatever question that comes to your mind, be very particular about asking it. At whatever slide that you like to. You're most welcome. बिना समझने हमें आगे बढ़ना ही नहीं है. जहाँ कुछ problem हो, if something is bothering you, ask it. 1,000 times.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Keep it up. So we were about the various steps that are involved, and the next step was media vehicle. Now, what is media vehicle? We will discuss. Media scheduling, we will discuss. Then media budget will come into picture. How much to spend on? Because that is a very crucial issue. How much your advertiser will allow to spend on media related decisions. Now that is something to be careful about. Do not develop a media plan that does not that is not very suitable for the advertiser. If they cannot pay you that much, how can you spend that amount of money on media planning? So you have to have a fair amount of idea how much fund is available, and accordingly you have to buy space and time from the different media. So that was the media budget part, and evaluation, of course, how effective the media plan was. But make sure, I'm telling you time and again, all our decisions are relating to media, not the advertisement. Whether the ad was successful, whether people liked it or not, we are not concerned about that. We are only concerned that the advertisement was able to reach out to our target audience. TA
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, you wanted to ask anything?
One girl is waiting. Please accept her request, sir.
Okay. I got her. She will enter. So that was the issue. All the different facets of media related decisions are under the scanner. हम लोग इन्हीं सारी बातों को फोकस कर रहे हैं. Media related discussions, media related decisions rather. So, let us discuss one by one. Let us discuss one by one each of the decisions. The first one, analysis of the target audience. Now, very important, and go slow. We are not in a hurry to cover up the syllabus. Each understand whatever that is being discussed. Target audience, who are they? For an advertiser, who are the target audience? TA, target audience. Remember that abbreviation.
So the consumers of the product,
Different age group people.
the consumer of the product.
Consumers of the product.
The different age groups of the people.
Different age group of people, obviously. Acha, have you ever come across advertisement? Acha, have you been taught advertising?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, har ek baar, the objective of advertising is not to sell the product. There are, do you know about corporate advertising? Where the idea is to develop an image of the corporate, not to sell the product.
Sir, can we say it's service provider? मतलब service या service
Increasing the
advertising.
goodwill.
Service
increasing the
providers,
goodwill
service providers are also very particular about offering the service for sale. If you come across maybe an insurance policy of an insurance company, they are trying to sell the insurance policy to their target investors. But so have you ever come across corporate advertisements when they try to build up the image for their corporate house?
So like LICs and many other companies who have completed their 100 years, they celebrate it in a good way, and they advertise on channels that they have completed 100 years with a good reputation and goodwill.
Wow, excellent. Excellent. That is exactly what we are talking about. The idea was not to sell a particular policy. The idea was to make people aware that they have survived for 100 years and many more years. They intend to follow the suit. Excellent, excellent. That is it. That was what we were talking about. So audience could be anybody. You said it. It may be consumer. It may be the public at large. We try to build an image for the betterment of our corporate house. Maybe the government. Maybe the media. Maybe whosoever. So identify first who the target audience is. Who do you want to reach out to? कहाँ जाना है आपको? If you do not know the destination, which train you would catch? तो जहाँ जाना है, पहले you have to figure out where we intend to go, where we intend to reach out to. Accordingly, we will catch the train, which could carry us to that destination. So first of all, figure out who the target audience is. अगर आपके target audience consumers हैं, just identify well they consumers हैं. कौन से consumers हैं in terms of age, income, occupation, gender, whatever. Maybe they are the kids. So that they are to be reached out. We are not interested to reach out to anybody and everybody. They are not our potential customers. So identify the target audience first, and then analyze them in terms of their two things: geographical location, where they are located. Are they localites, Patna based, or they are spread over a few states? That is called regional. Or they are national buyers. They are spread across the entire country, or maybe international, or maybe global, the world over. Depending upon your business, you will identify who the target audience is and what is their geographical spread out. Getting it? Just imagine there is a coaching institute, a small coaching institute, and their target audience is only people who reside in, say, Patna and peripheral areas. So they will not be advertising in a national network. Doesn't make any sense, even if they could afford to. So what is the geographical spread of the target audience? Where are they confined? This has to be figured out. And obviously, at this point of time, you should be very particular about the type of buys that they are going to make. It could be local buys. Local buys means what? When the target audience are concentrated in a particular local area, maybe in Patna. Maybe you have got a beauty parlor. The only Patnaites would visit to that outlet. It is not that somebody will catch a plane from Mumbai and come to Patna to avail the service. So who are the people who we intend to convey our message to? That should be very clear. So there are localites. Do you know any local brands? Tell me, anyone, anybody. The brand which is available only in Patna, not elsewhere.
The Modi Care is a medicine company which is available only in Patna.
Modi Care,
Yes, sir.
Sir, Patna Namkeen
Patna Namkeen. Harilal.
and sir Chanda Mama for clothes.
Chanda Mama close at Hakwa Market.
Sir, Patna Beats.
Okay, correct, you got it. So for conveying our message to the potential customers of these various products and services, we will not be considering international medium. Doesn't make any sense. So geographical aspect. Second most important thing is what is their media exposure. You have made an identification of your target audience. Now you are concerned which media they are exposed to. Now what does that mean? Are they very well versed with internet? If your target audience do not connect with internet at any point of time, there is no sense in advertising on internet. So which media are they exposed to? In that sense, you come across hoardings. Any passers-by is exposed to such a media, right? If somebody does not read English newspaper, there is no sense in advertising the product in English newspaper. So you have to make a selection in that regard. Therefore, we are concerned about the media exposure. What is the media exposure of the target audience? One thing. What is the media preference? What they prefer to come across? Given a choice, which media they would like to get connected to. Like there are a number of channels on the television. Which channel do you prefer to watch? And not only the channel, which programs do you prefer to watch? And have you developed a habit of watching it? The media habit. Acha, how many of you read newspaper without fail? Or nahi hai, your day begin with reading newspaper.
Yes, sir. I used to do that.
Very good, very good. And others take a lesson from her only. Make sure that you read newspaper every day. Whatever.
Yeah, sir, I am also reading newspaper,
Very
The
good.
Hindu.
Excellent. Hindu is a
Excuse
very
me,
reputed
sir.
one. Yes.
Sir, I also
Sir,
read
there is
newspaper
one
daily.
girl. Please
Hello.
accept her.
But she is not. It is not being shown on. Oh yes. See. So which newspaper do you read?
I only prefer Hindustan or the
Hindustan.
Hindi newspaper.
The Hindu newspaper.
Yes, sir.
Good,
Because
good,
it
good.
have the local news related to our city, and so
Yes. Obviously. And in fact, Hindi newspapers are more rich in content, I presume, as compared to English newspaper. You will find enough of materials of different facets in Hindi newspaper as compared to English one. And if you could figure out, they have also cut down the number of pages during the lockdown period. Are you reading
Yes, sir.
newspaper these days?
Yes,
so,
Or
so
some of
between
the
2 or 3 pages
Sir,
I
I
get.
am reading e-newspaper.
the e-newspaper.
Sir, on the
Good,
mobile
good.
app.
Very good. Keep it up. Because I have come across many people have stopped reading newspaper because of the pandemic.
Lockdown, yes, sir.
Right. They're very fearful that the virus may catch them up, and they have stopped
I
reading.
also read in 2 to 3. If I find some vendor going outside, that I can able to buy that.
Right. In fact, you will not come across many vendors these days. The number of vendors have also reduced. People they are very fearful now. So they have stopped using reading newspapers, some of them. In fact, many of them. Anyways, Yes. So, what is the habit of the target? Or which media they are related to on a habitual manner? Like some people just can't uh, live their life without watching and discussing uh, maybe Big Boss. I remember in many of the classes they were discussing about the different characters. इसने ऐसा बोला तो उसको ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए, अच्छा ऐसा हुआ. So that becomes a subject matter of discussion. It means that their media habit is well defined. They are very fond of watching that particular uh, program called Big Boss or whatever because they discuss. So it is quite evident that they have developed a particular media habit. And if the advertiser could place advertisement in such medium, it can easily reach out to these people. Don't you think so? Because if you advertise in some other medium, ad might not reach out to you, even if you are the potential target audience. Still, your message will not reach out to you. So the first and foremost decision is analysis of the target audience. Make sure that you understand it. Now, second, so let us proceed further. The next part yes. Achha, this is also very important. Setting the media objectives. Setting the media objectives. Now, this is something very technical. Make sure that you understand the terms very clearly. And if you have problems, make me informed so that I could elaborate it further. You see, when you have decided the target audience, now you proceed to set the media objectives. Now, media objectives are to be set in terms of 4 different components: reach, frequency, impact, and of course the cost. Cost will be kept in mind. But our 3 overriding concern is reach, denoted by capital R, frequency, by capital F, and impact by capital I. Now we will be using RFI in our discussion, in the following discussions. So we are very concerned about the reach, the frequency, and the impact. Now, what is meant by these terms? Make sure we are discussing all this in context to a medium, maybe a particular newspaper. Somebody told that she reads Hindu, maybe Hindustan, or whatever. What is the reach over here? How can we relate the reach of the particular newspaper?
How can we reach to our
Sir, reach
customers?
means
No.
how many people are we reaching through a particular ad or a post or anything? How it reaching to our target audience and the total number of people that it is reaching to, and among them who are our target audience.
Very good, very good. How many people come across this particular newspaper in Patna, maybe? If you're talking of the reach of the newspaper in Patna, how many Patnaites actually subscribe to? That is circulation figure. And readership figure is different thing. Achha, anybody who could throw light on circulation and readership? Anybody? Most welcome. Time is running out. What is the difference between circulation figure and readership figure? Circulation and readership. Anybody? कोई differentiate कर सकता है क्या?
Sir, circular, it means to how many people the particular newspaper is being circulated, and readership means how many people are actually reading the content that we are providing them.
Excellent. For instance, a household buy a particular newspaper, but each member of the household read the newspaper. So which figure will be more, circulation or readership?
Readership.
Obviously, readership.
Readership.
Very good. Well said. So reach is the number of people exposed to the media. Remember, at least once during the campaign period. So our message, our media will reach out to you. So you will be counted. So how many people could be reached out if we consider a particular medium, in India we have got ABC, Audit Bureau of Circulation, that works out the circulation figure for different newspaper and magazines in India. We will discuss that. F, frequency. Frequency is how many times the message could be reached out to. The number of times an average individual is exposed to the media. How many times the message will hit you. So the frequency does matter. If you are frequently attacked by a particular information, you will be able to remember it very much. But there is a twist over here. We will discuss that in coming class. I for impact. What is the impact of a newspaper? Acha, what do you think? As compared to newspaper, do you think television has got more impact?
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because nowadays people are more active on televisions to know what is going on
And
nowadays.
more
So
than
advertising is a better way.
Yes, right. Because in advertising there is a deadly combination of sight, sound, and movement. All the three. The more of impact will come. Acha, compared to newspaper, maybe a local tabloid like iNext, and maybe Times of India. Do you think there is a difference between impact?
yes, sir.
Yes, please. Go
Sir,
ahead.
the way a national newspaper present the content is way more impactful than a tabloid or a local newspaper, because they only present the local content, and sometimes the when it comes to publicizing the local content or spreading a word about anything that is local, then the tabloid is considered.
Well said.
Yes.
Well said. Excellent. Hats off to you. You said it very appropriately. Even if the same news is being carried by two newspapers, you attach more seriousness to a national daily as compared to a local one. So the impact would be very different. So impact is the qualitative value of an ad exposure. If the same medium carry the same advertisement, if the two different medium carry the same advertisement, the impact of the same ad in a different media will be different because the medium is different. So that is meant by impact. The television has got more impact as compared to newspaper. Times of India has got more impact as compared to iNext. This is impact factor. And C, of course, is the cost. How much would it cost? That is a very important consideration because you cannot spend much. You cannot spend more. That is as compared to the budgetary provisions. You cannot, you just can't ask for and the advertiser will arrange the fund for you. They have got a limitation. Remember the budgetary constraint in the last class? You cannot spend beyond that. So keeping this in mind, you have to set the media objectives. Now, how media objectives are set, we will discuss this in the coming class. Fine. See you then. Any questions from you? Very.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Have a good day.